In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to create the text typewriter effect. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I have my page here. And to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click the text toolbox here. And I'm going to add a text box, right? So I'm going to just type in something like typewriter. Right, nothing too crazy here. I'm going to select everything in here. I'm going to change a couple things here. I'm going to change my text to impact, which is my favorite font. So change that to impact, and I'm also going to change the size of this font here, right? So I'm just going to change the size like that. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and align this text here. Let's go ahead and hit on position, and I'm just going to select center and middle. Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Now to apply the typewriter effect, I'm going to go ahead and select the text itself, and I'm going to go over to animate on the toolbar right on the top menu. Now, if I go to animate, you're going to see that we have a lot of options here. The first one's going to be the basic text effects. Now, if we go down here, I'm going to go to writing. The first one's going to be typewriter. So go ahead and select typewriter here. And as you can see, there is going to be a couple of animation options here, the properties that come with this animation. The first one's going to be if you want an intro and an outro, right? So, or if you just want it to happen on enter, which is what I'm going to do, or on exit, right? It's going to exit here. So you can see it will start from my left going to the right. On enter, we'll do the same thing here. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and click enter, right? And the speed of this here, I'm going to go ahead and maybe lower the speed a little bit here. So it feels like an actual typewriter, like someone's actually typing this. See this, look at that. Pretty good. All right. Now we also have the writing style here. You have character and you have word, right? So as you can see here, you can change this to character or word. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to select character here, which is a default setting for this, right? So once you have this done, you are pretty much done. Okay. Now, if you wanted to look at this, you go ahead and hit share. Let's go ahead and hit present, right? Let's hit present. Now look at that. This is what the final result looks like. Now, once you are done, you can download this as a GIF. You can also download this as a video. That is pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.